Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be starting episode 1 of an throwback unboxing video. Today we're going to go back into 2013 to BTS's Too Cool for School. So I got this album off of eBay, brand new, for only like $17. And I'm so excited you don't even know. If you guys didn't know, they debuted in 2013 with a strong hip-hop game. So let's just see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at it. It's different from like the Love Yourself series or Map of the Soul in that fact. And look, there's like goodies or something. Is that at the Mamas? Did they give me extra stuff? Okay, let's just see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Okay, I don't know. I've never done an unboxing video before. It's gonna suck. Let's see. I'm gonna cut into, wait, no. How do I cut into this? Just snip. Okay. So, from what I've heard, my favorite song from this album is probably Like, or I Like It. Look at this. It has Koreans, Too Cool for School. Get that out of the way. Oh my goodness, it's so brand new. You heard that, right? Look how handsome they are. So if you don't know, since this is throwback unboxing, this is V, Suga, Jin, Jungkook, RM, Jimin, and J-Hope. So let's start. Oh my god. Look at this. This is back like, I think this is like their first ever merchandise like stuff, like hip hop monsters, I think they were called. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Let's see, it has intro Too Cool for School, We Are Bulletproof, Circle Room Talk, No More Dream, and Circle Room Cipher, which is funny if you've ever heard that before. Rap Monster, not Dance Monster. Just kidding. Ooh, Jin, my boy. Suga, J-Hope, V. Oh my gosh, I really like his hair like that, don't you guys? Jimin, Jungkook, which, if you guys didn't know, he's the monkey. He's the youngest. Here's all of them together. And before I go any further, this is what the CD looks like. It's pretty secure in there. Too Cool for School. So let's continue. We have intro Too Cool for School, and this is their first single. Let's see. We're Bulletproof. Gives the lyrics over here and the picture on the side. So, oh my gosh, look at this. This is adorable. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. J-Hope, No More Dream. The interlude with V. Jimin. With the Like song. It's all the lyrics and photos with it as well, which I'm happy that they have that. It's nice. So it shows the thing again, and it shows 3 pictures right now. Ooh, it shows all 7 of them. Okay, so Rap Monster. I think that's like the thank you, don't you think? We have Jun's thank you, Suga's thank you, J-Hope and V, Jimin and Jungkook, and then they're all together waving us bye. That's it. I wonder if it comes with the, no? I don't know, I didn't see any of the photo card. Maybe it's over here. I think this is from Mama. Nope, I can't seem to open it. Let's see. Ah. Okay, almost open. Wow, look at this. I think that's the moment J-Hope cried. I think this is Mama. Oh! That is so beautiful of them. Oh my gosh. Let's see, when was that? I don't know what that is. What is that? I don't know why, but it didn't. I guess this one doesn't come with a Does it come with a photo card? Is it supposed to come with a photo card in here? Is something supposed to fall out? I don't know. I guess I'm okay. Let's see, well, this is the stuff all around. Well, it's a beautiful album, and I can't wait to listen to it. So, thank you for coming to the throwback of today, which is BTS's Too Cool for School. And I hope to have a part 2, maybe unboxing one of these original hip-hop monsters. I think with this one, I'm not sure, but I think that's Jin, V, that's J-Hope because of his mask, Suga, Jungkook, Jimin, and Rat Monster. I might unbox him, I don't know. But stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and sorry if this was low quality. This is my first unboxing video, but I hope you have a blessed day. Bye!